Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use subtotal function. So if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to learn how to use subtotal function, in this video I will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have created this table. Okay, this is column for bill number, this is column for name of items, this is column for quantity of the item, and this is the rate, this is amount, total amount, and this is also total amount. I have created two total amount column because in one cell I want to find out the total amount by using subtotal function, and also in one cell I want to find out the average of the total amount. I will also show you individually how to find out individually total amount or subtotal for the special or specific product. Okay, so how to do it? So first I am going to just find out the sum. So what you have to do, equals to, now type subtotal. Okay, here you will see subtotal, click on it. Then here you will see many options. So this option, I want to find out the sum, so you have to just click on sum, or you can type 9, then comma. Now this will ask for reference, so just click on it. Now bracket close. So this will be the total amount. Okay, now here you will see this is amount. Now I want to find out the average. Just click on equals to, then subtotal, then I want to find out the average. So this is first number option, just click on it, comma, this is reference number. Okay, this is the reference number. Now bracket close. So this is average and this is total amounts. Now I will show you how to find out the amount, total amount for a specific product. Okay, so just select all the cell. Okay, this row, third number row, then filter, use filter. Okay, then if I just go here and select the keyboard, then you will see this is the quantity I have sold, this is the rate, this is total amount, means I have sold keyboard for 500 for 5600. Okay, and the average amount is 28. So like this you can use subtotal function in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.